I am so excited.
Why?
Why? I know. Look at it.
I love it. What is it?
It's a life-size chia pet.
Look at it, it's already growing.
I know.
It's balding though.
I didn't put any seed there.
I can tell you missed this one.
I know. I just watered it 10 seconds ago, and it's already...
Dave, you'll never get it, man.
What?
You gotta stop. I'm telling you, if you leave your toys around, bad things are gonna happen. Help.
I know. It's one of my heavy G.I. Joe dolls.
Just throw it in the toy box and make sure that you don't leave
That
it
way?
anywhere. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Your toy box.
Okay.
Oh, you almost wish you didn't pick them up.
Okay, I don't think this is how to do it. It's a rowing machine, and I'm not doing any rowing.
Poor Brandon.
Okay. I'm here to be fitted for a suit. So you're going to use this tape measure and measure my waist?
Yeah,
Just wrap it. Oh my goodness.
it's...
I think I've lost a few pounds.
I think I've lost a few pounds just sitting here.
Let me just try to wrap it around you. No, it's not gonna work. Maybe you know what I'll do? I'll roll in it like this. Watch. Freeze. All right.
On this week of yoga with partners. What we're gonna cover is how to efficiently use a mannequin to make sure that you're. Oh, no, wait, back to the pose. Come on. Oh, okay. Wilted lotus. We're gonna make sure that you find yourself at one with your. You can touch me.
Nobody's going to touch you. Dave,
Yes.
what have I told you about prom dates?
Oh, yes. Well, you know what? She was running along. I thought I'd just tackle her and step in place.
Okay, number one, you had hands on.
I know.
Number two, she has whiskers.
She is good looking. Look at this. Let me introduce you to her.
All right.
Serious, try it out, man. It's trampoline. Okay, I'll get first bounce.
Okay, let's bounce together. This is the super. This is the. Look at that.
That'll bounce back.
The spring loose there.
Crack the egg. I'll be the egg.
Okay.
All right. Just gotta remember to bounce.
You gotta curl up.
All right. Whoa. Okay, jump.
Freeze.
I can't stop shaking.
Yes,
This is the most romantic place you've ever taken me to. But the ground is quivering. It's starting to give me gas.
Do you mind if I join you on that bench?
I don't mind at all.
Just scoot over.
I don't want to get too close to the end of the bench.
No.
I'm going to sit lightly.
This is how romantic, isn't it?
It is.
It is quivering.
I'm afraid.
No, not gonna work. I'm serious, man.
What?
That futon is not for me. You're not gonna sell me on it.
Look, here's the thing. The futon isn't fully unrolled yet.
Okay.
What you gotta do is you gotta grab it by the end and give it a good shake.
You Look, watch. No, just
funny.
Okay, look at this. You crank it like this. Okay, you crank it. Okay,
And cranking it.
and the earpiece is right here.
Yes.
And you talk into it. Hello! I can't hear you! Not crazy hard
It'll be okay. Don't worry. We're gonna put him down gently.
Freeze. Taylor, I'm gonna give you a microphone in a minute, let you finish your speech. I just want to say Beyonce is the best video in the world!
My favorite. Hey, Dave, guess what?
But
I heard that if you can chop a tree in half, you count how old it is by the rate.
so you split it down the middle?
That's what I think. Oh, no. Across.
Okay.
And you know what? Wait. You've been practicing karate, breaking boards like crazy.
Yeah. All right.
Give her, man.
Should I do my crescent kick?
Yes.
My shot.
Okay, picture this. All right, boy, you're in the woods, right?
No.
You can hear the things exploding all over. You don't know what's going on. You've got to learn yourself some camouflage.
Yeah.
All right, okay, so you got your gun, right? You got the mindset, you got your game on.
Yeah.
You know what you do? You find a tree, you become one with the tree. One with the tree, okay? Okay, like this.
Let me join you. Wow!
Stick out your arms. Freeze.
Yeah, I see what you mean if we were twins, but realistically, we didn't come from the same mom.
But this is how it would come out.
I know, obviously. Come on. Okay, if we're gonna play, doctor. Freeze!
Okay, Brandon.
What's up, man?
You know what time it is, dude.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Do it every recess, right? It's time to skip rope.
Oh dear.
Don't touch my